Hey, do you crack your neck like this or like this? Well, here are a couple reasons why you shouldn't be doing that. First of all, when you're cracking your neck, you're starting to create some hypermobility in your joints. So what that means is your joints start to move too far, okay? Second reason is you are not being specific with your correction, okay? When we're doing this and you hear it pop, we don't know what pops, okay? But as a foundational chiropractor, what we do is we find a specific segment that has a problem and we correct it. All right, so instead of popping your neck, make sure to get an appointment scheduled at Cornerstone. The link is in the bio.